Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can select object and how you can duplicate them and change the color. So I'm just going to select the subject on this, and I'm just going to recolor the whole thing because it's going to take some time if I try to recolor just the outfit. So I'm just going to resize this, and then I'm going to duplicate another one. I'll just do it on this one actually. Sorry. To change the color, you're just going to go to the filter section, and then you can go to, oh my gosh, sorry. I feel like you can hear through my headset. Go to image adjustments, and then here you can adjust the hue, saturation, and the color balance. You can adjust the lightness, and you can make it a black and white photo here. And here you can change the hue of the object. Again, you can just set it to just the clothing. So for instance, you want the robe to be blue. I do need to trace it. It will take a long time. That's why I'm just doing it like this. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!